How you doing today, guys? I hope so you're keeping well. Check this out where I am. Yes, that's the Mount Batur and this is the beautiful lake. I'm already very on the bottom of the lake through the very local village. I will show you guys around. It's very sunny, but I hope so you can see. So this is the Mount Batur and it's today super lovely weather, and behind these mountains is the Mount Agung, still visible. And today I'm gonna show you guys how it looks the situation in Kintamani area, and also this is super beautiful weather. I will show you more about the volcano and just current situations. And of course Batur and Kintamani is very famous, especially because of Mount Batur, this one, and the lake, but also because of the coffee. This is world famous coffee in Bali, is coming from Kintamani area, so from these mountains actually. And of course, you know me guys, I will have a coffee somewhere here. I saw already one very nice new coffee shop. I will go there later. Now I will go through around the lake and show you guys a little bit closer to the volcano and also how it looks there. Stay tuned, guys. On these mountains, on this lake, is a lot of fishes called gurami, and this is the plantation. I mean, they fishing a lot of gurami here, and even I just walk a little bit through this one and you can see already small fishes around. Very nice and very cool. And I'm super happy because it's super nice weather. It's very rare view like this. You can stay here and see the volcano, which is this one.
Feel it. If you believe in me, how will you let
amazing, great road to driving a bike now, and it's super quiet, as you can see. Last time when I was with Winnie here, the road was like no asphalt at all. Could you imagine, guys? Over there is the Volcano. Unfortunately the sun is over there, so it's quite dark. And over there is the Another Mountains, and it's super cool weather. I'm so happy and excited about that, and as you can see, it's super beautiful. As you can see, this area is super dry and it's not many like things over here, natural things. It's completely different than the rest of the Bali, right? And so many rocks, like this one. Ooh. If I'm not mistaken, this is the volcanic rocks. When the volcano erupted, lava come here and there. Of course, I can make a mistake, so if I'm wrong, I'm so sorry, comment below, but I'm pretty sure it's the volcanic rocks. And over here is super quiet, super dry and beautiful, amazing view today. And so many flies, I don't know why, always so many flies. Okay, I took my drone. I will try to make a few shots from the drone I specially bring for this occasion. Guys, it's going to be sunset soon. I already make a few shots by drone. I still enjoying the road and the view. I will go now up, which is where is the hills over there. There will be the many cafe shops. I will have a coffee. It's already oh my god, what time is it? 5:15, so in 1 hour will be already sunset and it will be dark, and I have a 1.5 hour to go home. So I will quickly go, make a few shots with the coffee. I will say a few words, so stay tuned, don't switch the video yet. See you in the top where I will have a coffee, and then I will go home. I hope so you enjoy the view with me.
What do I believe? What makes me feel it? To write you this a day, 5 months and a year. Oh, I loved you too long. You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt? Why do you still hurt? Who's wrong and who's right? I cannot decide, 'cause I'm sober tonight. I cannot escape, I'm here till it breaks. Oh, how my heart aches. You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt? Why do you still hurt? Still rolling the dice, still hoping to find a future for me. I'm still in this fight, I pray for the night to go easy on me. You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt? Why do you still hurt? Why do you still
Alright, just arrived to the Montana coffee shop in Kintamani, and as you can see, beautiful view behind me. There's some people over here. It's quite famous place, new place. I ordered some coffee obviously and some lunch, dinner I will have, and I will watch the volcano which is just behind me. Over here, such a beautiful day. Got my coffee and I ordered a ham cheese croissant and this view behind me, so amazing, great day. I hope so you enjoyed. I will show you quickly. This is the Mount Agung, the active volcano. After my lunch dinner, as you can see, it's quite busy here, quite many people. And one thing is changed now in the Kintamani. Previously it was the ticket to entry to the Kintamani village, so no matter if you go to Kintamani or just passing Kintamani to going, I don't know, to North Bali or to Besaki temple, you have to buy a ticket, 40,000. And that was a lot of controversy about that. Many people complain, including the local people. And now it's no tickets at all, it's entry free, you can come. By the way, this volcano view is amazing. So that's the very interesting fact. Quite many people here, but all is the local Indonesian and some Balinese. I think I told everything what I should say about the Kintamani area. It's quite few new places with coffee because, like I said previously, Kintamani is very famous from the coffee. Because of the view is so amazing. I'm so tired actually. I decided I will have a treat myself and I'm gonna have a cake. I show you that. That's the mocha cake. Looks good. Alright guys, as you can see, super beautiful sky, mountain, Batur. Over here, oops, is Agung volcano, and I think that will be enough for today's vlog. It's already after 6 o'clock. I have 1.5 hours to go home through the mountains, and unfortunately it's over there. Probably will be rain and I'm gonna get wet. I didn't took a jacket, I drive a bike, so but I make a nice vlog. I hope so you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments below if you like the vlogs like this. Like always, thank you so much for watching. If you are new on the channel, consider to subscribe because we do the vlog every single day, daily vlogs basis at 7 p.m. Bali Time GMT +8, so it's around 1 o'clock in Europe, 9 o'clock at morning, 7 o'clock at the morning in New York. And like always, thank you so much for watching to everybody. Please like, share, comment. Of course, don't forget to subscribe. And see you tomorrow, like always. Take care, guys. See ya.
Siapa itu? You are wrong guy, guys. Hi, say hello, say hello. Hello. Hello.
Still rolling the dice, still hoping to find a future for me. I'm still in this fight, I pray for the night.